A 1.2-meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with a wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval is what the question is. So here I have drawn the girl of height 1.2 meter. She sees a balloon of total height as 88.2. I have mentioned it here. This is the balloon, and at first instant, if it was here and its angle of elevation was 60 degree, and then she moved to a particular distance. After some time, the angle of elevation reduced to 30 degree. So after the balloon moved to some distance, and the angle of elevation at that point from where she sees was reduced to 30 degree. In this case, it was reduced to 30 degree. Now we have to find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval, that is the distance of y from this point to this point, that is from this point to this point, the distance traveled is y. I will just name all the triangles A, B, C, D, and let this be E. So we have to find CD is the distance traveled by the triangle. So to find CD, I have mentioned CD as y, and let total BD, let BD be equal to Z, then Z will be equal to X plus Y according to the figure. We need to find Y in this case. Y will be equal to Z minus X. So if you find Z, Z is the total distance. Let us consider this, then this is Z. So first case, we have a triangle ABC and another triangle EBD is the another triangle. So for triangle ABC, for triangle ABC, I will use tan 30 degree, sorry, tan 60 degree equal to AC divided by BC. AC, we have the total height from the viewpoint of the girl. So 88.2 AC equal to ED equal to 88 point is the total height from the ground. We have to subtract the girl's height, that is 1.2. It will be equal to 87 meters. So AC is 87 and BC we do not know, and tan 60 degree is root 3, and we can write BC as X. So that will imply 87 by root 3 is equal to X. And now for triangle EBD, tan 30 degree in this case is equal to ED divided by BD, which is equal to ED we have 87, BD is X plus Y, which is equal to 1 by root 3. So we have X here. So I will just reshuffle this equation. 87 root 3 will be equal to X plus Y, and from this equation we have X equal to 87 by root 3. So I will write that 87 root 3, 87 by root 3 plus Y. So we want Y 87 root 3 minus 87 by root 3. Taking LCM, we will get 87 into root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 87 divided by root 3. So 87 into 3 is this answer will be 174. 87 into 3 minus 87, that means we can take 87 as common, and 3 minus 1 divided by root 3, and it will be 87 into 2. 87 into 2 is 174 by root 3, and 174 we can write in terms of 58 into 3, and this 3 we can write into root 3 into root 3, and one of the root 3 gets cancelled. So final answer I will write it here as y equal to 58 root 3 meters.